Cosmetic Skin Clinic is a non-surgical cosmetic practice that's been established for over 15 years that specialises in everything non-surgical to rejuvenate the face, neck, hands and chest. We aim to give very natural looking results for people who either aren't considering surgery yet or who would never consider surgery ever. The Cosmetic Skin Clinic is different from other clinics because we treat everybody as we would a friend or family member. There's a high level of trust and we develop a very personal relationship. From our receptionists right through to every member of medical staff, everyone here is very friendly, very welcoming and very highly trained. I've been injecting and treating patients for 20 years and most of my staff have been treating in the non-surgical field for at least 12 years as well. The Cosmetic Skin Clinic is registered by the Care Quality Commission. All our doctors are GMC registered and are members of the British Association of Cosmetic Doctors, and all our nurses are members of the appropriate bodies. We believe that right from the moment someone walks through the door that they have a very positive experience. They'll be greeted by a member of my staff who will get them relaxed, sit down, have a refreshment and have a sort of informal chat. We've deliberately set up this clinic to be very welcoming, very homely, very comfortable for people. But all the equipment we use is highly specialist and state-of-the-art.
The key thing about the consultation is that we establish a really friendly, relaxed atmosphere and a good relationship. So we need to get a good idea of the patient's expectations and whether their goals are really achievable. So we have a good conversation about that, discuss all the options that are available to them, and what we're hoping to create is a really rejuvenated face and smoothing and softening lines. We're happy to go through all the treatments, the range of treatments that we can offer, and it's important that patients feel that they can go away, read about these and decide what they would like to do first.
My first consultation was immediately gratifying for me because I could see immediately that Tracy understood what I wanted and was completely empathetic about the things that I felt were wrong and I wasn't happy with. And her medical background really gave me confidence that she knew what she was doing.
Tracy is very personal and every consultation with her is strictly for you and for your skin type. She has never ever suggested anything that I don't need.
The Cosmetic Skin Clinic specialises in all procedures that are non-surgical. This is our true specialist field, so we provide a range of dermal fillers, muscle relaxing injections, laser, etc., all of which will non-surgically enhance features and make the best of what you've got.
I was made to feel absolutely no nerves whatsoever, went ahead with the treatment and actually, as I say, had quite a lot of treatment and was able to then go directly from the clinic to a meeting with a client within an hour.
It's a very private experience and a personal experience. This is what makes it a place that I want to come back to.
Everybody that has a treatment here is invited to come back at 2 weeks for a review of treatment to make sure that everything looks really, really super. We're always on the end of a phone as well, so if there's any queries, we can always be contacted.
The Aftercare is, again, a one-on-one and specific to you. If you need to call for a question, they're there.
They give you lots and lots of literature to take away with you, and topical creams sometimes where necessary after certain treatments.
You've got so much vitality, you look really fresh. Have you been on holiday? You look really well rested. Those are all the sort of words that get said to me, and I think that actually says as much about the clinic as about me. Having had cancer and getting divorced in the same year, I felt pretty rough. I felt my face was sliding, down my neck. I felt I looked old and I looked sad. I cannot tell you the difference that the Cosmetic Skin Clinic has made to me. It has boosted my confidence hugely. It's made me feel like my old self. In fact, it hasn't. It's made me feel better than my old self.
I have recommended the Cosmetic Skin Clinic, Tracy and the girls, to a number of people, all of whom have gone to see them, and very successfully, very happily, and they've also returned, which is the best recommendation of all.
I would definitely recommend the Cosmetic Skin Clinic, and in fact I have done, and as I say, I'm a walking testimonial when people see me and I'm beaming and happy and feeling so good.
The thing I love is the fact that I still look like me, but I just look like the best me I can look.